So you want to fade the audio between your timelines. I got you. You want that to apply also to your lamps and DMX fixtures? I got you. So I got my songs over here, my audio with their accompanying light effects. So let's go take this over here. In order to accomplish this, we're going to make clever use of the foreground settings. So here we go. I want it to replace whatever's going on here. Let's make the fade 3 seconds, who cares? Make sure to check this. And there we go. Play this song as the foreground, yada yada. So now I'm going to copy paste this. Paste, yes, paste is what I want. So that way it keeps all the same foreground settings, and the only thing I got to change is which song it's going to cue. Probably have to rename that, for the sake of your sanity. Not song 1 or 2. That's good. So it plays song 3. All right, now check this out. Check this out. Don't check out Earbleed. Okay. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. Now I can be ADHD all I want. I can jump back and forth between any one of these without that nasty, unpleasant, jarring effect where it just hard cuts on and off. Bye.